Hello everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your tokens from Bitget wallet into another Bitget wallet. And then in the next video that I'll be dropping shortly, I'll be showing you how I do P2P right here on Bitget wallet. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're gonna be updated on time. So without further ado, let's get started. Do any form of internal transfer on the Bitget Exchange, there are two ways to go about that process. Okay, the first way is to you can do the internal transfer by using just your UID on the Bitget, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. And then the second way to do that is to use your email or the number that you used in opening or creating your account, your Bitget exchange account. Okay, so for those of you that want to open the exchange or create this exchange, I'll be dropping the link right at the video description. Go ahead and use it and open it, use it and register. And then when you register with the link, you are going to be getting a bonus, a trading bonus that will be added to you by using the referral code. Okay, so the first thing, like I said, that you have to know is to learn how to copy your UID. So for you to locate your UID, first of all, you have to come over here and tap on this section right here. Okay, so as soon as you tap on that section right there, it's going to load up. You can see the top, at the top here is where we have our UID. All right, is where we have our UID. You can as well click here to see your UID boldly. All right, so when you click it and you come down here, you see where you have this UID right here. Just look right here, you can see your UID. Okay, you copy it. All right, then when you copy it, that is how to you go and send. You can now use that UID or tell anybody that you want to transfer tokens or money to. He should send you his own or he or her own Bitget Exchange UID. All right, then when the person sends you his or her UID, you can now come to the exchange and go to internal transfer section and transfer to him or her. So that is how to copy your UID here on the Bitget Exchange. Okay, so now let's go on how to send your tokens. So for you to be able to send out your tokens, the first thing you have to do is to come to where you have this your wallet section. Okay, you tap on this wallet section. All right, you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, it will take you to this page. Okay, so what you have to do is to come over here and click on this withdrawal. All right, you click on this withdrawal. All right, then as soon as it opens this, go over here and click on internal transfer. All right, I hope that is clear enough. You click on internal transfer. Now as soon as you click on the internal transfer, it's going to load up all the coins right here. So these are all the various coins that I have in my exchange. I can decide to transfer this coin to another Bitget Exchange user. Okay, now for you to be able to transfer any of this coin, let's say Litecoin, I have some $0 worth of Litecoin here. For me to be able to do the internal transfer, I'll click on this. Let me use this Litecoin as an example. Okay, I'll click on it. Then let it load. Ensure while you're doing this your network is stable. Okay, now I'll click on it. Okay, as soon as I click on it, now I want you to understand that there are three ways you can do your internal transfer here on Bitget. You can use the mobile number, you can use the email, or you can use the Bitget UID that I just showed you briefly on how to copy. All right, now what you'll be doing is that the person that you want to send the Litecoin, your Litecoin to, or your coin to, you have to go and tell the person to send you either any of these. Okay, he has to send you either his or her Bitget UID or his or her mobile number, which is this, or his or her email. I hope that is clear enough. So now if you toggle this on, if you click on this, it's going to load up. It's going to show you this section where you will see enter recipient account. Go ahead and copy that person copy that person's email and come and paste here. So as soon as you copy that person's email and come and paste right here, you can now select the amount that you want to be sending to that person. So you can see it's Litecoin because I toggled on Litecoin. I clicked on Litecoin. That is why it's showing this. So in case I want to send like let's say $20 worth of Litecoin, I'll just type here $20 worth of Litecoin and go over here and click on withdraw. So as soon as I click on this withdraw, I'm going to confirm the transaction, and the token or the Litecoin is gonna be sent automatically to that person's Bitget Exchange app. I hope that is clear enough. Good. Now another way you can do that here is to toggle this on to the mobile number. Okay, if you click on that, you can now see the mobile number has appeared. So remember and ensure that any number you are pasting here should be a number that has been used to register Bitget Exchange. So therefore, if you are telling your recipient or your friend to send you his or her mobile number that you want to send tokens to, you have to ensure that the number that he is sending to you is the one that he or she has used to register the Bitget his or her Bitget Exchange. I hope that is clear enough. So when you tap on this, you go and copy that person's number and put here. As soon as you paste that person's number right here, you come over here and click the amount of Litecoin that you want to be sending. You paste it here, and you still go ahead and do the same thing. You click on this withdraw. As soon as you click on this withdraw, you go ahead and confirm the transaction, and the money is going to be sent automatically. I hope that is clear enough. Now here is the third section. Another final part to do is to click on this. In case you don't want to use this or you don't want to use the email section, you just have to go ahead and click on this Bitget, okay, Bitget UID. So as soon as you click on this Bitget UID, you have to tell the person to send you his or her UID, okay? So as soon as the person sends you his or her UID, you have to come here and paste that UID right here, okay? Paste that UID right here. You copy, you type the amount that you want to be sending. Now the minimum you can send out in Bitget Exchange is 0.01. All right. So Bitget Exchange seems to be the lowest, one of the lowest exchange that you can send. You can even send as little as $0.1 worth of Bitget. All right. But unlike the Bybit, you can send up to the minimum you can send out from Bybit is I think $1 to $2 or so, or thereabout. Okay, and then on Binance, the minimum you can send out on Binance is $5, but here on Bitget you can see is 0.01, which is very, very small. And this is one of the reasons why I prefer Bitget Exchange. Okay, so I'll just tap on this, and then as soon as I tap on the amount I want to send to my friend, I'll come over here and tap on withdraw. So as soon as I tap on withdraw, I'm going to confirm the transaction, and it is going to be, the token is going to be sent automatically to his Bitget Exchange, and then he is going to see the money right there sitting. Okay, so that is how you go about this process. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next video.